आई एम द श्रीजल। और गाइस हम कर रहे थे एवोल्यूशन चैप्टर से 100 MCQs का सीरीज। तो पार्ट 1 में मैंने आपको 20 MCQs करवा दिए थे और पार्ट 2 भी मैंने आपको करवा दिए हैं और आज है पार्ट 3 की बात, जिसमें मैं आपको फिर से 20 MCQs करवाने वाली हूँ। अगर आपने पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 नहीं देखा है तो उसको जाके देख लेना। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो गाइस 41 क्वेश्चन इज according to Darwin, diversity as found in Australian marsupials is due to, so answer is adaptive radiation. Then 42 question is select the odd one among the following with respect to placental mammals and Australian marsupials. So answer is lemur. Then 43 question is Darwin finches were. Answer is small black birds. Then 44 question is which of the following pair is an example of convergent evolution? Then answer is numbat or anteater. Then 45 question is which of following are two key concepts of Darwinian theory of evolution? Then answer is branching descent and natural selection. Then 46 question is which cannot be explained by Lamarckism. Then guys answer है weak progeny of a noble lecturate. Then 47 question is mutations discovered by Hugo de Vries are. So answer इसका random and directionless. Then 48 question is single step large mutations leading to speciation is also called. So answer is shortation. Then 49 question is Hugo de Vries gave his mutation theory on organic evolution while working on. तो इसका आंसर है Amory Primrose. Then 50 question is what is incorrect for mutation theory? तो म्यूटेशन थ्योरी में गलत क्या था? तो आंसर इसका mutations are directionless and gradual. Then 51 question is mutations are mainly responsible for. तो जो mutations जो mainly responsible किसके लिए होता है? तो mutations are responsible for variations in organism. Then guys 52 question is in which condition gene ratio remains constant in a species? तो आंसर इसका random mating. Then question 53 is change in frequency of alleles in population results in evolution as proposed by. So answer is Hardy-Weinberg principle. Then 54 question is random genetic drift in a population probably result for. So answer है इसका change in gene pods by chance. Then 55 question is formation of new species from pre-existing one is. तो इसका आंसर आप कमेंट में बताएंगे. Then guys 56 is formation of new species from pre-existing one is. So answer is speciation. Then 57 question is genetic drift. So answer is smaller population. Then 58 question is disturbance of Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium result in. मैं एक बार रिपीट कर देती हूँ. Disturbance of Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium results in. तो आंसर इसका evolution. Then 59 question is the most important factors involved in the formation of new species are. तो आंसर है इसका isolation and variation. Then 60 and last question is which type of natural selection is showcased by industrial melanism. So guys इसका आंसर आप कमेंट में बताना. और आज के लिए इतना ही. पार्ट 3 हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया. 20 MCQs हो गए. अब दो और पार्ट बचे हुए हैं जिसमें मैं आपको टोटल 100 MCQs करवा दूंगी. और जो बैकग्राउंड से आवाज़ आती है उसके लिए सॉरी. एंड आज के लिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.